Hello, let me show you how we can fix this issue when you cannot find bookmarks button on your Google Chrome and Samsung S25. So first of all, I can highly recommend you to go into settings. Now you have to open display, and now you have to go for screen zoom and switch from this big screen zoom into the normal one. I mean into the smallest screen zoom. Go right here, and as you can see right now we can find an additional button, and it's not actually bookmark, but let me show you how we can actually add it here right now. Click on displays on the three dots, then go to settings, and now you have to scroll for toolbar shortcut and add to bookmarks, then go back, and as you can see right now you can finally add bookmarks. You can finally find this button. When you click right here, you can quickly go into your bookmarks, and as you can see, that's how it actually works.